Yeah. Let's see. Let me get my firing order in my head. That would be, I might as well put some more oil on that too, because I want that to come out. So, firing order is 1848, so that's a long piece of wire right there. I'm not going to do these in order because I'm going to be changing them, but I'm going to stick wires on here just so I have them. So we go from the longer ones to the shorter ones. I might have some little loom bits. They call them looms, but the things, the little things that you sort wires with. I might have some of them around here somewhere. Some long wire here. These are just old plug wires, came off of something else. Probably had them on the Cadillac motor at one time. Nothing fancy here. But I can get new ones of these too later if I want to. But I figure these are good enough just to run it with, just to start it, hear it. Probably. It'll probably work to start it. There we go. Alright. It may be about quitting time for me today. I could. I guess I could set these valve covers on here and make it look like it's a little more doner. I was looking at some of these online this morning. These Holley valve covers is getting like 160, 70 bucks or so on the eBay for them. It surprised me, but there you have it. So yeah, we're at a good place to stop. I've got a massive cleanup job to do in here tomorrow. Clean up and organizing. I might take that 283, pop it apart completely, put all the pieces in a pile somewhere, and then hook it to that transmission over there and use that as a thing for the rat rod to set up the clutch and everything with. And just move this one over to the side while I wait for my distributor to come. So right over there, and put it right in here. And I'm going to need me one of these thermostat covers. Yeah. So, we're getting there a little at a time. Sure enough. Okay. So I think with that, I'm about ready to call it good. I do believe. Suppose I could put something on these wires. I've got a loom thing that I bought a long time ago and never did use. I'll go get it and see what it looks like. It won't take me but a second. I might decide to stick it on there just temporarily. My knees in a pile of leaves. There's actually a door here, and the leaves off that maple tree just fill this up back here. Outside that door where there's a staircase up to the attic part. And I don't usually do anything to worry about it because I don't go up there that much, but fell in the hole this time, but it didn't hurt me. Just I felt kind of silly. I had to put down the stuff I was trying to hold on to so I could get my hands and lift myself up out of the hole. Oh, that was pretty fun. That was pretty good fun. So I set a couple of rags over here in these holes so that the dirt daubers, sometimes the dirt daubers come all the way from Arkansas out here just so they can build little nesties in my stuff just because they like to aggravate cutworm. So I know that's a long piece of logic to try to follow, but it's the truth. I swore it's the truth. I'm quitting now. I love y'all. Whether you like it or not. I did find one more of these plain Chevy valve covers, but it doesn't have the writing on it, and it has these old, you know, PVC valve things that I don't like on it. So I ain't going with that. I ain't gonna do it. Just ain't. I just ain't. I just ain't. So there. Yep, just ain't. Okay then. Okay then. Okay then. Okay then. It'd be fun just cleaning up in here, get where I can see the floor again. Oh, that'd be nice. Yes, sir. Sure will.